Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And do you want the best of both worlds with a Himalayan salt lamp and diffuser?
Coozment has made exactly that. This is a two-in-one Himalayan salt essential oil diffuser, and it comes with everything that you need, including a USB interface, so you can plug this in anywhere. I love how they gave you all of these salt pieces so you can arrange them in whatever way you want, which is really fun because I love to move things around all the time. So, this was a great activity for me. I also really appreciate the size of this diffuser. It's not too small, not too large, so it's the perfect size to put on your nightstand or on your desk while you're working during the day. I love that I can add my essential oils to this and I can have it going all night long and still get the benefits of the Himalayan salt as well as my aromatherapy from essential oils. But if you are not into oils and you just want to use this for the salt properties, you can do that as well. You can run this with the lights on or off. I was so impressed. I ran this all night long, and when I woke up this morning, it was still going. So I really, really appreciate that I was able to enjoy the benefits of this diffuser all night long and well into waking up in the morning. I think they've done an excellent job with this diffuser. It is super high quality, and I think it would make a perfect gift.
So, if you want the benefits of an essential oil diffuser and a salt lamp, you're going to love this one. I think it's absolutely perfect. And that's my point of view.